your heart above all else. That's where life begins to dwell. Every word, every thought flows from what your soul has caught. Oh God, I've been careless with my gaze, letting fear and anger stay, entertaining every lie, wondering why I feel dry.
But you call me back again to a place of discipline, where my spirit learns to see what's been growing inside me.
Father, create in me a heart that's clean, remove what shouldn't be, filter every voice I hear, let your truth be loud and clear. No more bitterness inside. I choose peace, I choose truth, I choose life, I choose you. I choose to guard my heart. The boundaries are set to guard my heart. I choose to bend my will toward you. Boundaries set. Eyes focused on you.